We've covered how PEM can be used to maintain productivity after removing local administrator rights in your organisation. This video will demonstrate how simple and quick PEM is to deploy. Here, we have a completely fresh PEM server that has simply been deployed as an OVA. Now, we'll get into the network configuration to set up a static IP. We then reboot the server to apply the configuration. In order to set up a TLS certificate later, we'll need to be able to resolve the future host name of the PEM server. On the DNS server, we're adding a new host entry for the PEM server in forward lookup zones. Now for a quick sanity check to make sure we set up our networking correctly. Let's try pinging the PEM server from our domain controller, and it's connectable. So let's move on to the next step. At this stage, we'll browse to the PEM server and set up a password for the local administrator account. We'll need to upload a license before continuing. Next, we'll configure the domain controller. First, we enter the address of our DC. Next, we'll enter credentials for a server's account. This account needs permissions to join the PEM server to the domain, as well as create GPOs for PEM policies. Finally, we join the PEM server to the domain. At this point, we select an administrators group. This is an Active Directory group that will be able to log into the administrative interface. Now, we configure a TLS certificate for the PEM server. This can either be generated through the interface or simply uploaded. The final stage is to distribute the PEM client to your end users. The client is downloaded from the PEM server configuration page. And it's as simple as that. You're now ready to get started using PEM.